Hello and welcome. It's Declan here with another video, and today I just have Bitcoin's chart open here on my eToro platform. So I just have a support and a resistance line drawn here as well, which are very easy to do. So you just grab this little thing here and pull it in line. Yeah. So here it is. Let's straighten it up a small bit. And you pull it over here and you can check the shading and say whether you want it light or dark or 2x, 3x, etc. So I'll just delete that particular one. Click on it again. Sorry, there's a bit of a slight lag now with my computer when I'm recording here with Zoom. It takes a lot of processing. So I apologize for the lag, but this is Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame now at the moment. So it's trading at 26,579. Might just make this a bit smaller actually, you'll see more. Maybe pop it over here. So I'll just go into the 5 minute time frame. Different as well. So you can either go to the top of the candle or the top of the wick. So that would be the support level. Let's get it bang on now. On the 5 minute time frame. Or sorry, the resistance level, sorry, on the time. They always think that resistance is at the top and support is at the bottom. So yeah, resistance is at around the 26,628 mark, judging by this candle here. And I'll just go to the support level here, just map out a definite one. Now just pop it up a bit again. So we're looking here at around the 26,549 mark. So that's on the 5 minute time frame. So it'll show the 10 minute time frame now as well. So you can see it the 10 minute time frame again, and then you can bring it down the resistance mark here. You can bring it down slightly. When you're mapping out support and resistance, you can have either two lines, one for the resistance, one for the support, or you can draw in several different ones depending on, say you see another one here, you draw it right across, another one here, you draw it right across. And as I said, it changes then when you're going between the different time frames. You can see it is either broken the resistance or broken the support. So people draw in support and resistance lines mainly when they want to get in and out of trades fairly quickly, just to identify price action. So you go into, I'll just go back into the 5 minute time for 2.9, and you could pop it back in here again and check it. And mainly what traders are looking to find out, is it going to break the support level and rise above it, or is it going to go below it and keep going below it? So it's just, there's no definite with the support and resistance. Like, it is just mapping out things and checking out, like, the key levels that people are watching are at these support and resistance levels, and they'll either buy in or they'll sell off on Bitcoin or whatever they're trading when it reaches this particular point. Not always a given, but they're the points that people are watching, the major support and resistance levels. So I'll go back to we're back on the 1 minute time frame. So I'll just pull this back down again. So I'll bring it down to just the candle rather than the tip of the wick. Just guide it down there now. Okay, we'll pull it across. Slightly down. And we'll take the resistance here now, or the support, sorry. I keep saying the wrong one. Resistance top, support bottom. So pop it up again and drag it across. Sorry, as I said, there is a lag now with my computer when I'm recording with Zoom. It can be tricky to get everything in sync, so I apologize. So pull this across. Okay, so now you can see my resistance level here, and you can see my support level down below on the 1 minute time frame. So will Bitcoin keep going down and break the support, or will it go up as will there be a bullish candle and it go up and try and break the resistance? Or let's just see what's going to happen. We'll just watch it for a few minutes. As I said, mainly when people are drawing support and resistance lines, it's for short-term trading. You don't do this so much with stocks because you're analyzing the company, you're analyzing the balance sheets, cash flow statements, that kind of thing. And you're buying in at lower levels and hoping that the stock will go up, or if you're short on it, it's the opposite. So yeah, as I said, this is more for short-term trading if you were kind of scalping or that kind of thing. So let's just see now this next candle here in Bitcoin. It's bearish again. Support and resistance is a good indicator of when you're going in and out of trades fairly quickly. Like, it's not something I do myself personally, but I am practicing on demo and that kind of thing for maybe doing this kind of thing in the future. So yeah, as I said, it's bearish now. It may come down to here. You could argue that there's another support level here as well. It may bounce off it and go bullish again, or break below it, or keep going down till it hits this particular one. Yeah, it's a bit more bearish momentum now than there has been bullish momentum the last while on Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame. So like that's how you would draw out support and resistance levels. You'd map them out on, so you could even do this on the 4 hourly, the daily, the 30-minute time frame, and you'd just identify where the candles are going across, where there's either a trend downwards or a trend upwards, and you draw the support and resistance lines in conjunction with that. That's how that's done. So here, bearish candle again. It may break the resistance, or may break the support here again before rising up. Movement is fairly slow today on Bitcoin at the moment. Yeah, bearish. It could break the support here. And if it does, then there could be a lot of downward movement. And the same as if it were to go to the resistance line here. A lot of people are watching this resistance line here, and they may buy in at that stage. And as I said, if it hits the support level here, a lot of people might sell off and assume that it's going to keep going down and keep selling out. So that's what's driving the price either up or down. So that's how you trade on support and resistance. That's how most people do it. They identify the key levels and then they map out support and resistance lines in relation to that. So hope you found this video interesting in relation to Bitcoin and how to map out support and resistance lines on the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. And indeed, you can do this for any time frame and just use your analysis there afterwards. So thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.